In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and AliShark. Now, if you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping or Amazon FBA, then you know that using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. Because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. Now, I've included the links to both Thieve and AliShark in the description below, so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, Unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. AliShark excels in product discovery by offering real-time data on thousands of products from AliExpress. Users can filter products based on numerous criteria such as sales volume, growth rates, and the number of orders. This enables dropshippers to quickly identify products that are gaining traction and likely to be profitable. How does AliShark do with market analysis? Well, market analysis with AliShark is really comprehensive. It provides users with detailed insights into the performance of products over time. The platform offers graphs and charts detailing sales trends, price changes, order volumes, and it allows users to access market demand and make informed decisions based on the current preferences of the consumer. So how does AliShark, how well does it integrate with other platforms? Well, while AliShark focuses on product research and does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify for listing or inventory management, the insights that you can gain from their analytics can really help you leverage the product listings on your platform, whether you're using Shopify or WooCommerce or any other platform. So you can take the insights that you learn from AliShark and apply it to your business no matter which platform you're using. What about the supplier database? Well, AliShark does not include a traditional supplier database, but they do provide direct links to suppliers on AliExpress for each product. This allows users to evaluate supplier reliability and product quality by reviewing ratings and feedback directly on AliExpress. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? AliShark includes features that allows users to see potential profitability based on current price trends and average product costs on AliExpress. So while it's not as detailed as some standalone pricing tools, these features can help dropshippers estimate their margins and set competitive pricing strategies. What about the user interface and ease of use? AliShark offers a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. The platform's design is streamlined to ensure that even new users to dropshipping can efficiently utilize its features without a really steep learning curve. But what about their customer support and community? AliShark provides customer support through live chat and email, ensuring users can get help when needed. Additionally, it maintains an active community on platforms like Facebook, where users can share tips, discuss strategies, and get updates about platform changes. But now you might want to know about their pricing structure, like how much they charge and how much you'd have to spend. AliShark operates on a subscription basis with a flat monthly fee that gives users full access to all its features. If you actually want to try it out, you can try out AliShark using the link in the description for 2 days for just $1. So it's a great time to try it out. You can cancel at any time. Now, what about their automation features? So while AliShark focuses on manual research and does not include automation features for managing your dropshipping operations, its real-time tracking of product metrics and alerts provides a semi-automated system that can help you stay updated on the market trends. So speaking of trends, what about their analytics and reporting that you can get for your business on AliShark? The platform provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities with detailed data on product performance that can be accessed through customizable dashboards dashboards. These analytics are crucial for tracking the success of products and for adjusting strategies accordingly. Now let's talk about their mobile app availability. So unfortunately, at this moment, AliShark does not offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for users who want to do research on the go. So if they're away from your laptop, you can't use your phone to find insights. What do customers have to say about AliShark? Well, the general reviews for AliShark are quite positive, with many users praising the extensive data on AliExpress products and the ease of use of the interface. Some users have expressed a desire for more direct integration with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, and there have also been requests for more features for managing supplier relationships. But overall, AliShark delivers on many different aspects, and it can be a really useful tool for any dropshipping business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.